Hello everyone, good evening, good evening. Hello Nika, thank you for like a live, thank you. Welcome to the stream as well. Sorry, may sakit pa din. Eh, tara, ah, sige. Ja, lipat daw tayo doon sa streaming VC.
Okay. Where is your server? Wala ako.
Cheater man tas insecure pa factor, true. Okay, we shall start. Warm up pa ba?
Huwag na.
Wag na. Eh.
No!
Okay lang yan. Ako rin wala.
Yeah, pare-pares tayo.
So mean.
Ngayon pala ako nagbubukas ng balo. Happy streaming Zen. Thank you, Nika. Thank you. Very much appreciated. Pero yun nga. Kanina, tapos na ano ko din kanina yung ano, na compare ko pa yung relationship nila sa ano, sa isang trophy wife. Tapos parang, Haven, okay. Haven is okay. So yun nga, ang dami ko pa sinabi kanina, Diyos ko.
Nag-away sila dahil nagsiselo siya.
Oo.
Wow.
Kasi ano, nag-QC sila nung guide. Pero hindi lang sila nung guide, may mga kasama pa silang iba.
Kasama naman palang iba,
Apat
ba't
sila.
niya pretend?
Eh kasi, insecure.
Oh my God, na siya nga nag-cheat.
Yun nga. Like, ito pa yung malala. Yung, the girl na nag-cheat, ano, yung na pinag-cheatan niya, alam din na may jowa.
Uy. Okay.
Tapos ang ano pa, alam mo pa kung paano nalaman nung friend ko na nag-cheat yung guy.
Paano?
Yung girl yung nagsabi.
What the
Gusto pa
fuck?
makipag-friends.
Oh my God. Ba't niya binalikan?
Hindi ko nga din alam sa kanya. Sabi ko, kala ko nga ano, yun na yung katapusan, tapos biglang ganun. Sabi ko, sige, decision mo yan. Tapos ngayon sabi ko, hindi na ako papayag na ano, ikaw magde-decide, mag-break ka na. Kaya pinaya ko nga kanina eh. Umiyak doon sinabi ko yung about dun sa ano, sa trophy wife na ano, pag katulad lang ng trophy, ano, tamang display lang. Lilinisin mo lang kung ano, kung may onting dumi.
I want to hear more about where you
Pero
go.
talaga sabi ko kanina eh.
Disappear.
Kasi di ba gano'n naman talaga yung pag ano, pag trophy wife, yung parang magbibigay ka lang attention pag ano, when convenient sa'yo. Tapos pag ano, pag para i-flex mo sa iba, doon mo ito lilinisin, yung parang ititreat mo siya ng good and whatnot. Tapos pag tapos na, tambak agad.
Tapos na, wala na.
Hello Beisha, welcome to the stream. Thank you for liking the live, thank you.
Oh my God, bro, I'm distracted.
Also Nika, thank you po lang sa ano, sa Santa Arte Rose. Thank you. Smoker nga pala ako, visit.
Go, go, go!
Ay puta bobo.
Gago ka? 52 omen. 52 omen.
Spike down, C.
Ah puta. Na-trade ako.
Last player.
Tayo na iwawall mo pa talaga doon. Kung kailan naka-ano na. Oh, Sakura Wakarushi, Chichi, Wakanoso. Thank you for like a live, Chichi. Thank you. Nasira, Wakarushi mas well.
Grabe yung lineup yan.
That was fast. It was like rapping. What do you mean?
Sage, the life you give. Do you ever wonder where it's taken from?
Saan man galing yung Omen na yun? Ba't nag-teleport yun?
May teleport na ba talaga yan eh?
No, like, saan siya originally?
Sa likod dito. Tapos nag-TP siya dito sa may ano, dito.
Tapos sa... Huh?
Kasi doon ko,
Oh, okay, gets it. Ah, okay, gets it. I'm so smart.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy
I'm
C.
so good.
do we rotate ba?
No, ano lang. I'm holding... Oh, okay, never mind. I guess we go A.
I'm out of here.
Okay, Haven. Hi, Haven, Heaven. Nachi! Welcome sa stream. Welcome.
Clear nyo, ano?
Ayan.
Hell?
Ha?
Na-clear nyo hell?
Yeah.
Copy.
Ba't di ka kagad nag-wall? Ay! Ay, putang ina mo! I wish you thank you, Francis. I just woke up. Hello, kala ko tulog ka ba? Yeah, nakatulog ako mga 4 hours.
Guard move.
Tapos nagising ako around, 8 o'clock?
Last player standing.
Yeah, 8 o'clock. Eh, tapos nagpa-tulog pa yung
fuck you,
friend
what?
ko, kaya ngayon ako nakapag-stream. I just started like, 8 weeks ago?
Ace.
Grabe, running on naps lang talaga. Uy, di yun nap ah.
Clock sticking.
4 hours is not a nap, it's an actual sleep na.
Borderline.
I did think over 1 hour is not a nap. Kape? Hindi minsan ako nagkakape. Pag may pera lang, charot. Oh, tangin na, may paputok.
As one.
Time to jump.
Go, go, go.
Cover going out.
Enemy spotted. C.
Watch out.
Shadows
Ah, come on,
traveling.
bro.
This way. Gotta go. Enemy. Reloading.
Go plant, na-push back na sila.
Plant.
Fuck you, 78?
Down.
Very good, very nice.
Last player
Putang ina
standing.
mo. Puta.
Ah, very good.
At saka hindi muna ako umalis dun. Hindi tayo bougie tulad ni Gojan. True. Ang ano ko nga lang dito, creamy white eh. Excuse me. Siya di nagsasalita.
I'll pick them apart. You
Go-
pick
go,
one.
go.
Gusto ko kasi.
Hindi, wala. Throwing. Charot.
Paki-report.
Sige. Luto lang ako ng food. Balik ako ngayon. Sige. Pero short din lang ako ngayon. Pero go lang ako.
Fuck. Gago.
Gotta go. Shortcut.
Smoking. Ay!
Bruh.
Reloading. Yeah.
Cover going out.
Healing you.
Mag-close ka ng Mag-wall ka.
Where wall?
City.
Lahat may tao.
Kung saan ako naka-smoke, kung saan ako naka-smoke.
CT. Dali. Okay, nice.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Nice.
Last enemy taken
Nice.
Hello, Akashi. Welcome to
The
Shiva.
winds
Welcome.
shift in our favor.
And I have welcome to Shiva as well. Welcome. Kailan ka naka-kill, Nish?
Yung last
Yung last one.
Brim.
Ah, wow.
I'll find them.
Maybe.
Cutting through.
Gulat rin ako, be.
Pa tayo
Tumama
mag-ano?
pa
Pa tayo mag-armor nito nung ano? Yoru.
Scanning ahead.
Mag-jay po siya.
I'll handle this.
Okay. I go.
Found them.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted.
Cover going out.
Shots down.
Matay ako dito sa copy ah. I-hold nyo yan. Putang ina mo! 108 train ah.
Oh my fucking god.
Last player standing.
Silence. My ball is red.
Oh no!
Watch them run when lit by my sonar. That's when we
Tangina
strike.
nyo, ang laka. Okay.
Magigaya tayo.
Pinagalit na si Ja.
Ang yabang eh. I need to lock him. Lalabas ko na halimaw ko.
Agay, ano, pipilitin nyo pa rin yung C. Tangina, hindi na tayo nanalo dyan.
Nilalap. Kila, be.
O yan,
Okay,
sige. Smoking heaven ah.
Hey, hurry.
Shadows traveling.
Flag planted.
Cover going out.
Shock dart.
barrier created.
Gago.
Watch out.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
May revive yan si Sage ah.
Ang tanong saan siya.
Nice.
Nice. Masyado na kayong mayayabang eh. Kailangan kong mag-isip.
Sometimes old ways are best.
Nish, ikaw nga magdala nito.
Okay, bye.
Hey. I-slow push na lang natin.
Yaman mo sila sa C.
Maggawa sila ng noise dun.
Yep. Don't push yet. Okay ka na.
Di ko na-smoke yung heaven ah.
Copy.
Ah, footsteps. Palayo ata.
Wag muna.
I'm out of here.
Plant ba?
Yeah, pasok na. Yeah. Very good, very nice. Omen should be the nearest.
Ay, puta! Omen Heaven.
Nice. Saan yun? Taas.
One enemy remaining.
Nice!
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Double heads until we're home,
Nice.
yes? Good.
Swap niche, swap. Yay. Ay, wow, naka-blue na siya. Ah,
Yes.
purple. Purple or blue?
Purple.
Purple.
Color blind ka ba?
Hindi, kala ko blue. Hala pala. Hello, Zano! Welcome to the stream.
Revealing area.
Wait for you. Oh, never mind. Nagano na siya eh.
Smoking?
Pero kumita natin.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted. A. Coming through.
Getting. Ba't may tao dyan? Okay. Ay, nasa akin pala. Sorry.
Go wall mo dito sa city. Dito.
Planet.
Ready. I'll cover. Okay, that's good enough.
Pabatay ng heaven na. Nasa ano ko eh. Ay, hindi. Nandito pala yung Yoru.
One enemy remaining.
Sewers? Nothing.
May narinig ako footsteps dito. Ayan, nice.
Nice. Wow, pag-crash talk na ulit ako!
Ah,
We
This
fight
isn't,
once again.
ano no? This is on run, no?
ano.
Kaya I don't care.
Obviously, I hope you guys win. Sana para mapag-trash talk. Kaya trash talk kami
Yes,
eh.
para makapag-crash talk.
Gagi.
Right here. Right here.
Trash talking is only good pag sila ang nauna.
True.
True.
Oh shit, I forgot. Ah, shields. My bad.
Cover going out. Shadows traveling.
Open
Plant the
B.
spike.
Plant the
Plant na.
spike.
Planting nga.
Go.
Yep. Oy, behind. Oh, no.
Anyone else? My ult's ready.
Sova stay.
Brimstone dito.
Nice. Oh my god, galing.
One enemy remaining.
Sige someone under you. Under you? Ay, ang sarap mo.
Ay, wow.
What the
Sorry,
hell?
nalabas.
What will it be this time?
Takeda.
I don't know, game over.
3K,
Sorry.
3K 1 assist. Okay na yun. Okay lang yan, Ja.
Very nice.
Tanggap
Okay.
kita.
Ba siya?
What do you mean?
In-mute siya. In-mute.
Tear them
I can
apart,
fake smoke B.
Walker.
If want mo.
Yes.
Shadows traveling.
Our brains are simple.
Bye-bye.
Ah, wala.
Fuck your bitch ass.
Gotta go.
Clear. It's clear. You're spike.
Umen.
Zed!
Ah. Ay! Gagi! Sorry! Nasakit pala!
Ah. Dali, pasok na agad.
My bad. Kala ko na kay ano.
Ito binigay sa akin.
Andito.
Planted. Here.
Shock dart.
Ingat dyan
One
din siya.
enemy remaining.
Brother.
So where's last?
Okay.
Scanning ahead.
Nice.
Wow!
Their backs will be towards at least one of us.
Nasabi ko sana all good. Kakampi pala kita. Oh, what happened?
I can buy.
God, oh fucking damn. I'm dying.
Here.
Grabe talaga, ikaw pa talaga naghingi. Kung kailan patapos ka na ano.
Ayo daw ulit.
I'll clear sewers.
They might be defending A.
Eh.
Let me go in first. Meron isa. Fuck you, 120.
Our carrier is dead.
120 nag-give.
Spike down A.
Reyna 120. Behind you.
Last
Ah, putang
player
ina.
standing.
Nag-Siguro. Siguro. Oh my god.
Last round before the switch.
Spend
All
your
good,
money.
all good.
There's no bank in hell.
Uy. Nag-off si Sova. I know what you are. Lalabanan niya ako with the off. No. Uy, nasa akin yung spike. No, don't give it to me.
Anong gusto mo sa ba't nilalapitan ako?
Ba't di
Healing. Fuck you.
Going C?
Stupid ass.
Ay, kata ko ano, going C.
Ay, gago. Yun na nga. Dalawa.
Dash, revive mo
2B.
si ano. Revive mo. Ay, nasolve ka pala puta.
Nasa loob ako.
No.
You can wall pag ganito. Wait. Ay, mundi ka na.
Nagulat!
That's,
Na-jumpscare ako, sorry.
nag-plant sa siya.
Ah.
Is Yoru lagi? Ah, never mind.
I'll handle this.
Line ba agad?
Last player
Puta.
standing.
Nice try.
Very nice.
All
Switching
good.
sides.
Let them try to get through me.
Very nice.
Very nice. Kaya na mo siya. Dish, pwede ka mag-wall sa B. Yeah, dyan. Magsasira lang ako.
Line that shit up.
Uy! Saan ka? Hindi! B nga
B.
dito.
Gitna.
Very nice.
Maka-teleport kaya ka agad ako sa,
Enjoy.
sa Kabi.
Don't waste your...
Ay!
Makakapag-ano ka naman ako.
Wala, nakapag-teleport na ako. Ay! Putang ina mo!
B?
May omen smoke here.
I copy.
Pahil,
Okay.
ano. Oh, huwag kang lalabas, huwag kang lalabas yan.
Planted.
Pahil, pahil, pahil, pahil, pahil, pahil.
78 Omen.
Pahil!
Yeah,
Pahil!
Last
Agay!
standing.
Pahil niya ni.
Ang ina ng volume, buisit.
Okay, kasalanan ko. Oh.
Ready to stretch your wings.
I'll go A. Nandiyan na pala kayo. Sige. Ako na
Pupunan
mag-B.
tayo dito,
Wall mo
okay.
na lang yung C.
Line that shit up. Life goes on, it gets so heavy. Ba't sila nagkumpulan sa site? Ay, okay.
KJ and Omen dito. Good.
Copy, copy. I don't know, napatay kasi. Ay, na-hit kasi.
Nice.
Dalawa eh. Dalawa rin dyan? What?
Cover going out.
Tang ina nyo ah. Mayabang kayo ah.
One enemy remaining. Spike down B.
Ah, puta!
Life goes on,
Mid, ano?
it gets
Mid
so
courtyard.
heavy.
Last player standing.
Go na yan. Nice.
Not out of here.
Every
May vandal dyan, ah.
still waterfall. Wow, amazing!
Demand a fight. Who are ready to disobey?
In the night, it's calling night. She closed her eyes. Nanginginig boses ko. In the night, it's calling night. But will she
Oh.
fly?
Wala ko email. Kaya magpapato na lang ako.
Paradise. I should buy this
Vandal
night.
lang.
Shadows traveling.
Neutralized.
Puta. 40 Omen. Mid.
Spike down C. One enemy
Fuck
remaining.
your bitch
Go,
ass.
go, go.
Baka window ah.
See? See no, see wall.
Nice.
Fuck you.
Zuko better watch their backs.
What? Sabi ni Sova?
Hindi ko na narinig.
Is he eating his mic or something? I can't hear. Yeah, I can hear him.
Spectre na muna ako.
In the night, just only she closed her eyes.
Ay, puta!
Menka!
Tato sila
Dami
dito.
dyan ah.
Ay, putix! Di ako napag-soak.
Reloading.
Spike down mid.
Spike is mid.
One enemy remaining.
Ayan. Heaven.
Aray!
Ah, heaven and ano. Window.
Reloading.
No more, bro.
Even with numbers, anything can still happen. Remember that. Gotta go.
Life goes on, it gets so heavy. The wind makes the water rise. Every tear a waterfall.
I need this.
The night is going night. She closed her
I need
eyes.
this.
Jump.
Ah, putix.
Revealing area.
Any enemies mid. Go away.
Gago, tinarget
Spike
talaga yung
down
clone.
mid.
Ay, sorry. Ba't pa hindi ako nag-smoke?
Fine, fine.
Here. Blinding.
Luis.
Dito. Sa window. Wala akong rifle.
One enemy remaining.
Ito.
Last player
Putex,
standing.
148. 148.
Okay lang.
Ay, ikaw na lang pala, Putex.
Yeah.
Thirty seconds left.
Oh, he doesn't know where I am.
Nice!
I know yun.
What? I'm out of here.
Pampainis lang sa kanila.
Kaya mo yan.
Where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? I should go here? Should I go here? Or I go there? Where should I go?
Sage dito.
At sila nandun kung wala ako.
Cover going out.
Sage lang nakita ko
Copy. Damn! It's mga 120 KJ. Aiming. He is one shot.
Spike planted.
Dalawa side.
Putex!
What are you doing?
Enemy remaining.
My ultimate is ready.
Ay, putang ina ako yung...
Looking for Reyna. Ayan dyan si Bitch. Nice.
We are strong.
Ewan ko recently, napapansin ko yun. Yung parang kahit hindi ko kiniklik, nagkiklik sa mouse ko. Kunyari, yung kiklik ko is yung... Ano to, left click. Biglang mag-ano is yung sa side buttons ko. Is may sign na
Baka
palitan
sa
na yung
mouse
mouse
mo
ko.
na yan. Pero ba't ganun yung smoke yung lumabas? Hindi yung sight.
Nasa mouse yung ano, yung smoke pati yung ano ko, blind ko.
Baka sa mouse mo na nga eh. Damn. Sa...
Mid.
God damn. What if sigurin ko? Yes, I should.
Run.
Watch them run.
The hunt begins.
Here at sea. Tara na. Wait.
One enemy remaining.
I'm sorry.
Spike down mid.
I saw none.
As you should.
Last player standing.
Asan?
Naiinis ako sa whiff na yun. Oh my god. I should clip that for further embarrassment.
Asan siya? Putex.
Window. Oh, no, nandun. Ay, joke lang.
Sana ka dun?
Akala ko sa garage, pa rin
30
lang pala
seconds
yun.
left.
Sorry.
Paano
Pero
A
narinig
kaya?
ko nag-window.
Spike planted.
Nag-A.
Eh,
Putex.
okay lang yan. She's 120. And I don't think nag-heal siya.
Ano, kita akong baril dito. Ah?
Oh, you
Bumaba.
schizophrenic.
Bumaba. Ah, putik.
What's in it?
Ah, puta.
Ah, nice try,
Eh,
nice try.
bumaba siya sa ano. Nakita ko yung
I
baril
don't
niya
care
eh.
if there are 5 of them or 50 of them.
I'm out of
Let's
here.
He's having psychotic episodes.
Re-replay ko talaga yon. Anong ano to? 36 minutes, sige.
Every tear a waterfall.
Lintik kayo.
Tonight, the stormy night, closing around.
Reyna dito.
Copy, I'm going.
Traveling.
Sewers?
Silvers, Reyna.
Enemy spotted. A.
Cover going out.
Ah, fuck you! Fuck you.
Still in sight.
Lakad lang kayo. Oh, wala. Ayun na. Sewers.
One enemy remaining.
Uy,
Spike down A.
how did you do that? Bantayin nyo na lang, Spike.
Kasi spike.
Nasa sewers. Kung pwede lang dalhin yung Spike, tapos itago na lang.
True.
Kaya nga.
Cover going out.
Bantay.
Oh, man.
Dish, magbantay ka dyan ha.
Yes,
Bantay mo long. Yan.
30 seconds left.
Yeah, bantay mo yan. Yeah.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Match point.
Usher them towards their eternal rest.
Oh, I can feel it. Manta-trash talk na ako.
Yay. Sa ano ka? Sa Sika, Nish. Tingnan mo yung KD ko.
The night, the stormy night.
Ito yung KD ko. Diyan.
13.
Very good, very
Spike
nice.
down mid.
Ganda yun, ah. Oh, oh.
One enemy remaining.
Tapusin ang laban. Nasa yung spike, nasa gitna, di ba? Nasa mid?
Ah, yeah.
Okay, dito.
Baka nagtago, Fabi. Okay.
Puti na.
This way. Take this.
Last player standing.
Fuck.
Fuck
Ina!
you!
Pabi, what?
Papunta dyan, right?
Ay, putang ina mo!
Nice try. Sorry.
Tang ina na ace pa yun.
That's a weak.
Ka-crash na siya.
No, I'm not crashing out. Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't like my voice. Ano namang boses ko.
Happened to you.
Tanginang ubo kasi ito.
Tatayo inobot sinisipon, Diyos ko. Tama yung smoke ko kanina, problema nga lang maaga. Ano, hit season?
Bakit season?
Ah?
Ayoko nun. Ayoko ng hit season. The weird thing is, nagkaubo lang ako right after I drank my first whiskey. No.
I'm out of here.
You drank your what?
Enemy and
First
attacker
tequila.
spawn. Gotta go.
One enemy remaining.
Do they not have earphones?
I'm
Hello?
out of here.
Shadows traveling.
Reyna, saan ka? 70, motherfucker.
Scanning ahead.
You. Guys, no one to lose.
Tangina.
She's pushing
Pushing?
on a spot.
What the heck?
May ult or ba? You can get that. Since I think malayo na siya.
Dalawa
30
pa kailangan ko.
seconds left.
Ay, putang ina, yan na naman!
Fuck
Defenders
you.
win.
I'll kill you.
Dito. Oh. I think I wanna play more.
Isa pa. Last round. Last round, tuloy last game.
Those her eyes.
Tapos ano, wait lang, share lang ako, tapos kuha lang ng tubig. Right back.
Guys, I think mababan ako. They're going to report me anytime soon. Uy, green flag? Yes, I am. Heh, heh, heh. Question mark? What do you mean? Heh, heh, heh. Yes po. Heh, heh, heh. Sa laro lang ako ganito. Heh, heh, heh. What am I doing? Malulubat na ako. Where's my charger? Ito pala. Babaliw. No. Maybe. She said, oh, oh. I know this what's it? Since si Sausage. Yung ano kaibigan niya. Yeah, right. I think magkakalag na to. What's that sound? I think hindi ako yun. Si Zedlin nata. Sure. Allergic ba ako sa tequila para magkaganito? Tequila. Sumakit lang lalamunan ko right after my first shot of tequila. Nung last. Do you even get allergies to alcohol? Alcohol allergies. How?
Purong
Intolerance.
soju. Nag-i-sneeze ako.
Hello.
Tapos para akong magkakasipon sa soju.
Hello, Zaki, welcome to stream. Happy birthday.
I
It's
think
not my
parehas
birthday.
tayo.
Ano yun?
Baka magka-cold ka niyan kung parehas tayo.
Yun nga parang nagkakalagdas na ako.
What the hell is going on? Thank you for sharing live, Zaki. Thank you.
Nag-usapan namin yung sakit ko. Na nanggaling sa tequila.
Thank you for sharing live, Zaki. Thank you. Do we, yeah, Gina?
Start.
Di ba siya nag-grind?
Hindi,
grinding?
yung ano lang, dailies lang bro. Di ko natapos yung mga weeklies kasi ano naman Halos natapos ko naman na yung Battle Pass, yung epilogue na lang.
Guys, I think bawal ba tayo mag-compete?
Match.
Ayoko lang mag-compete ng hindi 5-man, lalo na pag nandito sa niche.
True, ayoko rin.
Hindi, feeling ako mag-compete pag nang andito sa niche pag 5-man. Tangina, tas breeze pa.
Breeze! No. Wait, yes. Take the duelist role for me. Ay, ako niyan. Should I go Soba? Or a Breach? Or a KO? Or Teho?
Breach or Omen? Or Clove? Practice kasi Clove?
Mag-comment ka.
There you go.
Love that.
Wala eh.
Wala na lalaki yan eh.
Birthday na ni Zed. Birthday na ni Zed. Ano siya? Next year pa birthday ko, guys.
Birthday mo?
Next year pa!
Okay.
Alam mo naman sila sa lubong ko ang Pride Month.
Paano yun?
Ay, we?
Oh, June 1.
Oh!
Yun na yung sign na bakla talaga ako.
Ayun nga eh. Hindi ka sasabihin ko eh.
Pride month.
Magdadodge ba yung kabila or random?
I think magka-dodge sila.
Sana.
Up. Up.
Ano tao kay Wagadershi yung? Dodge question mark?
No.
Thank you for the love you, Zafi. I love you too. Kapsamnida.
I'm going to lock the fuck in.
No!
I love you to who now?
Bakit nag-send siya ng I love you eh?
Kanino,
Kasi
kanino?
yung ano. You know, Zed.
Ah!
Oh, Jet, I remember.
Unfortunately, I do
being
not
so
know.
young. It's good that she'll die before feeling old like me.
Nakapag-comment na ba ako dito?
Okay lang yan. Whenever you smoke, make sure to block their entry points.
Sige, pagka knife mo. O hindi kaya ganun, siya nag-send ng I love you. Diba?
Sana all na I love you.
At least naranasan mo. Fuck you kadish, porket wala ko yung label.
Sana!
They're not here.
Oo, nakapag-omen na ako dito. Naalala ko, nahirapan ako mag-smoke doon.
Diyan ka. Oh my god, may
Spike
harbor pala
planted.
sila.
Ay. Bobo, na-blind na sarili. Binalinded ako.
Charges.
I got you.
Nice, kamsa. Aha.
Whoa,
Aha, 78.
I'm
Nice.
sorry.
Go lang.
I'm sorry.
Last player
I'm
standing.
sorry. Don't leave me. I want you here with me. Saan siya? Hello? Ayoko na. I think we should FF
Sage,
from that horrible
life you
performance that I
Do
did.
you ever wonder where it's taken from?
Nag-clove pala ako. Para ano?
Hindi, okay na yan. Okay na mag-okay.
Para
Okay
after,
na mag-okay.
para may smoke after life.
Ay, sa bagay, yung ano. She said, oh... Pero kaso, alam ko yung kay Clove, you can only smoke
Isang beses
near
lang.
where you died.
O, kung malapit lang. Ah, dyan. Dito. I'm hearing a lot of wooden footsteps.
Jay.
Ah.
Great, I understood that well.
Puta, 90 Reyna. Puta.
Spike planted.
Nice.
Whoa! You can push Reyna.
Yung ka sa left mo.
One enemy remaining.
3 kills.
Last player standing.
Ay! That side.
No time.
No, not that.
No time.
Clutch.
Ayun lang.
Nice time.
Stand tall. We are Valorant.
Dapat yung ano eh, yung spike. Pag sumasabog, kinukuha lahat, kinukuha okay. Kinukuha kalahati ng map.
Wow.
It's a bomb, isn't it? Counter-Strike nga alam ko, ganun eh.
Spike down A.
Ay, Shibaliu!
Cover
Slow mo.
going out.
Oh, okay. Bato ka ng slow, bato ka ng slow. Ano? Uy! Never mind.
Sorry. Hindi nagre-register sa
Planted.
utak ko. Yung sinasabi niya, nagre-register.
Enemies spotted.
Ala, naku po.
Last player.
Ah, putang ina mo!
What was Reyna doing? I saw that.
Ha?
Reyna nag-shotgun long range? Hello?
Their hearts tell.
Ano magagawa mo dyan?
Isang pellet lang daw tatama.
Pinapatay niya ata yung oxygen. Yan yun.
Yung mga mga cells.
She said, oh.
Pa-ready na lang, pa-knife na lang ulit. Para alam ko kung mag-smoke ako.
Copy.
Oh no!
Nar?
Ah, puta! 66 Jet. Vandal.
Copy.
Nice!
Last player standing.
Oh no!
Leave me alone! 66 to yun eh. Can't.
I'm the last thing they'll see before they die.
Lucky them.
Lucky them. Lucky me.
Wala pa akong kill. Puro assist
Okay.
lang.
Hati tayo sa kills natin. Hati tayo sa kills ko.
Wow.
Bibigyan ko kaya.
Wow.
Ang generous. At least mapagbigay.
Pa-knife ulit.
I'm not here. Mhm.
Shadows traveling.
Ay, abulta. Iuwi kita yung kay.
Planting B.
Spike planted.
I shouldn't pop. Okay.
Puta! Kita pa ako ng Reyna doon. 75. Nandito. Dito.
Into the deep.
Ay! Ay! Nice, nakita ko yun.
Last player standing.
Motherfucker!
That was so...
Nagtigilan pa sila eh.
Must fall. Near me.
FF?
Okay.
Nar.
Ay!
FF?
Ay, nag-guess
If we lose,
no
we
pala
lose.
ako.
Wala ba kayong tiwala sa sarili nyo?
Wala.
Ako rin eh. You here?
Diyan?
Yeah.
Smoking.
Shadows traveling.
Spike's here.
Okay, flanking. Hold mo lang, hold mo lang.
Copy. Ouchies.
Sage killed.
Can't! Oh my god. I'm sorry. Napasigaw ako.
Come on, let's go!
Oh. Dalawa nandyan, yeah.
Spike planted.
Low na si Ray.
One enemy
My
remaining.
ultimate is
Better go that
ready.
way.
Last
Ah,
player
puta.
standing.
120.
I jet low. One shot at that distance.
Agay!
Never mind, joke lang.
Look your enemy in the eye. It helps with accuracy.
This helps with accuracy. And good, very nice.
Kaya
Very
ba ba?
good, very nice.
Nor.
I think
Nor
so.
cubes.
What?
Nagka-kill ka at what cost?
Holy shit.
Panay. Jan?
A? I'm in B.
Cover going out.
We're pushing slow.
I'll flank them, I'll flank them.
B. Phoenix B.
Spike planted.
May body if na-flash kita. Ayan na nga. Dalawa dito.
Last player standing.
To your right.
One enemy remaining.
To your right again.
Ah, putang ina mo! Fuck you, Reina!
Nangyari?
The city needs me.
Ano yun?
Can't be away for long.
Ang ina mo, Reina!
Fingers.
Flash ko na sana eh. 120 na siya eh. Kasi today it's your birthday today. If so, happy birthday. Have a wonderful day, sir. No, it's not my birthday. Next year pa birthday ko.
Happy birthday.
Nor.
Day.
To
Amado.
you.
Baka na magdedebu ka na.
Hoy, nagdebo na talaga ako.
Saan ka
Di
na?
ba 21 yun?
Sa tingin mo ba mukha ko? Sa tingin mo ba nagdedebo ako ng 21? Do I use my J, my J name?
No.
Ay! Ay!
Oh my god.
They're going A!
Going out.
Nasa, may iba na sa halls. Si Harbor. Pati Phoenix.
Fuck you, bro.
Spike planted.
Tangina, AFK pa yung Reyna natin. Ayaw ko na. Manirang lahat. Piece of shit.
They're just halls ah.
Miray lag. Oh my god, I lag.
Last player standing.
Bad guy down.
Whoa!
Kunin mo na yung bada tapos mag-save ka. Agay.
Huh? Huh? Hello?
I'm twitchy here. Let's go already.
They cheating for real, for real.
I'm twitching. Let's go already.
Wala na, nagka-rush out na.
You good?
Tayo lahat sila may ult. They all have ults.
Shadows traveling.
Footsteps dito. Footsteps dito, footsteps dito!
Okay.
Ay! Ay! Takina mo!
Ayan na nga.
I was running away, you bitch! How dare you? Lahat sila may ult, ah.
Spectre. Oh,
You can take my Spectre if you want.
Spike planted.
oh. Hello, bebe.
Shut down.
Game na ako. Wait for me.
Last player standing.
Ult's ready.
Oh!
Hello!
If I power down, restart me.
Wait, nawala yung dalawang Reyna. I think lahat ng na-Reyna sa mundo nawala. Ay, joke lang.
Marinig ka.
Narinig. Nagreklamo kasi ayan.
I'm sorry. Guys, wala lang. Guys, wala lang. Guys, wala lang.
Shadows traveling.
Ang may footsteps dito.
I know this soon is set to rise. This could be paradise. Sorry.
Putang ina mo, oh. That was bad play on my part. Sa A.
Spike planted.
Yun, defend ka.
Last player standing.
I fucking hate everything, everyone.
Let's make a plan, then execute.
Sana natulog ka lang ako. Biglang ganun.
The fact na kailangan ko pa ng tatlong win para matapos yung dailies ko, puta.
So hard.
Totoo pangalan nung Jet, impostor nga siya.
Poster nga siya. Tapos ngayon wala na dito. Puke ng ina talaga.
Into the deep.
May nag-
Yeah.
Watch them run.
Gago sinunod ka.
planted.
Ay. Kala ko Phoenix natin. Ang ina.
Last player
Tang
standing.
ina. Puta.
Oh.
Putang ina mo, Phoenix! Galaw-galaw ang putix.
Last round in the half.
Tang ina, half
We
pa ba to?
cannot keep our goods after this. Spend all.
Wala na. Hinahumble na ulit ako ni Valorant.
True.
Sorry na Valorant. Yun na po ako mag-trash talk next game. Kung may next game pa. Ayaw ko na maglaro.
Swiftly na lang next round.
Double.
Wall mo na lang kagad yun, Nish.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Tang ina niyong lahat! Diyos ko Lord! Sage and Harvest.
Puta. Fuck this shit, fuck this game, and fuck everything. Now, anong na-ulti na mag-score
Does he not
namin?
know how to walk?
Last player standing.
Putong ina.
Kaya nakipaglaplapad kay kay Harbor.
Gago.
Switching match point.
You want me serious? You got it.
Nagalami wala. Kasalanan mo to. FF to kayo na
I
isang...
just had... FF na agad? Yes, sir. She said, oh, I know that soon is set to rise. This could be paradise.
I will rip
Paradise.
your heart out.
Mwah.
Cover going out.
Para ma-motivate siya. Tang ina mo.
Shadows traveling. Suppressing.
Bobo ka.
One supply.
Tabi!
For you.
Ano sa akin, Spike? Sorry.
Pahil! Pahil! Pahil! Asan
No
ka?
heal, no heal.
No!
Wala akong heal.
Oh no! Why?
Who the fuck took the sheriff?
Not ready yet.
One
Hello?
enemy remaining.
Nice. Saan yan?
Ah, putex! Heaven. Ano? Lang.
Ba't sumunod sa kanya yung Reyna? Parang gago.
Last player standing.
Nice.
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Those fools just wasted.
Joke lang guys, huwag kayo mag-FF. I think we're winning.
You think?
Legit ba? Legit ba?
I have a feeling. Gut feeling. Gut feeling lang.
Where's Conquer? Where is she?
Reload him.
Do not.
Donut.
Shadows traveling. Target sighted. A.
She's hit.
Cover going out.
She's hit oh.
Watch your eyes.
Ay!
Ang ina mo, Phoenix. Bobo ka. Sorry. I'm being mean to my own teammate. I'm sorry guys.
Ah! Tangin mo, Phoenix! Kayo yung Phoenix yan! Tangin na wall ko, kailan nasan ako?
Into the deep.
How does he have... Ooh, hello?
Last player standing.
What the heck?
Rangers win.
I wanna know how may ult agad naman.
Hoy!
Ang
I am,
aga.
my live visibility is restricted for 10 minutes because of harassment and bullying! What the hell do you
I'm
mean?
sorry.
Kami ngayon
I'm
nabubully!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Alala.
TikTok, it was me. Ako na lang iban mo sa piano.
Wow.
Sinalo.
Isang swift play, tas ano, share ako sa isang swift play.
No more!
Swift play
I'm
lalaak!
tired, boss. Me too.
Hindi, pipigilan ko ihi ko, tangina nyo.
Oh, man.
Sisikapan ko ang aking kepyas.
Match found.
Okay, sunset.
What? Aalis na dapat ako.
I've got
Uy,
all
Kiki.
the in the world.
Kiki. Dami. Sorry. I love them boys.
Who the fuck said that?
Si, ano, Darts.
I also love Pep Boys. Hello? I mean, who doesn't?
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice.
Hindi siya nag-good night. Ano ba yan?
Huh?
Ba't dalawa dito red
Oh,
flag, tapos
yo!
isang red flag?
Kasi red flag.
Ba't parang
Green
kayo yung
flag
4, ba't
po
tas ako
ako.
yung hindi?
Ah, Lady Knight. We meet again.
Green flag po ako. Nakalagay na sa ano ko, title ko.
I should.
Wait, it's Swift Play. Inisip ko team deathmatch. Oh my god, oh my god.
I literally said swift
Babaliw
play.
na po siya. Babaliw na siya. Wala na.
Okay, I'm locked in.
Satchel out.
Okay.
Dropping smokes.
Hey!
Enemy spotted B. Where are we?
Agay!
Marked one.
Show me a target.
Next.
Sir, plant.
Down.
Vice mid ah.
Minasan, konnichiwa.
Right here.
Cute! Happy
7-Eleven.
Market ano.
Last player
Neon.
standing.
Wala si Kiki.
Neon stop.
Go, go, Kiki.
İyi geceler.
One enemy remaining.
Oh. Oh, sayang.
Stop to soon.
Goddamn. Uy! Walang time? Hello? Yes! Never mind.
Meron.
Leave. Then commit.
Oo nga, no, pag sa TDM nga pala, pwedeng ano, no? Pwedeng, ano, kahit manalo matalo, may 2, ano, may 2 points pa rin. I
Yeah.
forgot. We go A.
0 in.
Excuse me.
Very good, very nice.
Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-smoke sa A. Nakalimutan ko.
Enemy spotted A.
We found one. Grenade.
Get in, sirs.
I'll find you.
Mga ma'am, sir. Aray ko.
Puta mo yung pagkano ko.
Take hold. Dropping smokes.
Spike down A.
I have the spike.
Ay!
Woo!
One enemy remaining.
You had your fun. My turn.
One enemy remaining.
We could have ruled this world together.
Give me your fucking
Hey,
money.
City. Now let's turn this around.
Naiihi ako. Pero sabi ko, ay pipigilan ko para lang ano.
Be, ako rin. Di ba lang ako
Huwag na kayong umehe.
Walang
Oo,
iisa
na
pa bilang
kayong
to.
umehe.
Saan ba yung ano, yung pag-smoke sa A? Pag-attacking.
That's all they get.
Here, and... Eto, dito lang muna.
Okay, okay.
Guys, wala akong baril.
Found
Enemy
one.
spotted A.
Nade.
Reloading.
Yan sa elbow ah.
Stopping fire.
Healing.
Basta.
ina.
Puta.
Last player standing.
Hi!
Hala. Hello, Keno.
Last round before the switch.
Spend everything on this one.
Reloading.
Oh my god, swift lane na nga lang.
Just sit there, Neon, while she's running.
Target down.
Bring them down. No peeking. They're blind with fear. Get it. them down. We found one. The spike right here.
Ay, sa akin,
down
Spike, sorry.
A. Pew, pew. Last player standing.
What?
Hello. Huwag dyan. Why you aim to the coach?
Ha? Kasi alam ko hindi ko mapawan tap kaya inano ko na
Switching
ano.
sides.
Alam ko tataas yung ano eh, yung decoy.
Anyone have any
Wag ganun ka ba, ano? Like, tawag dito.
Look, I don't have confidence. Stop.
There.
Where the fuck did you go?
Disconnect. That me?
Sorry guys.
May sakit rin rin niya.
Hala, nawala na sila ng wifi.
Oh my god.
Drop in a smoke.
Ito kailan
Oh my
dito
God.
dudag ano.
Spike planted.
Aray.
Last player standing.
Nag-TDM na lang pala dapat.
We're here because we're the best. Don't any of you forget that.
Mahihi pa man din ako. I-off-stream ko na lang ito.
I'm gonna go after this.
Kaya go lang. Mag-off-stream na din ako after ito. Mag-short stream lang talaga ako.
No peeking.
This is ass.
Dito, dito, dito.
Spike down B.
Night.
Last player standing. Attackers
Bye-bye.
win.
GG.
Taka na, na-reconnect lang si Dishnu kailan ano. Tapos na.
Kung kailan tapos na. Sinakto niya yan. Okay, I'm out.
Okay, bye-bye.
This guy.
GG. Ah, wait lang guys, share lang ako. Okay guys, I'm back. Wait. Wait lang. Nish! Isang TDM lang, isang TDM. Hindi ko pa nakita yung nasa store ko. Uy, Forsaken. Oh. Cool. Puro operator, putex. Hello, kaya welcome sa stream. Spectrum. Oh. Okay. Wednesday pa pala to. Okay guys, I'm go na. Di ko alam kung stream ko bukas pero bahala na ako ano yung maisip ko bukas. Everyone, thank you to everyone who followed, to everyone who liked, everyone who gifted. Sorry. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye everyone. Good night. I hope you have a good day. A good sleep and a good day tomorrow. Okay, bye bye everyone. Bye bye.